Today we're going to discuss how to remove this to be able to replace your light bulbs in here. This top one here does your brake lights and a clearance light or parking light. It's a double filament light. Down here runs your blinker. So if you've got your blinker out, you're going to do this, but you have to remove this whole thing off. And there's a little LED one over here where you actually have to replace the whole unit anyway to do that. But anyway, so to remove this, back in the trunk compartment here. So back in here in the trunk compartment, there's this little cover. You're going to pop the cover off. It's just a little fabric cover. Pop it off, and you see this nut here? You're going to turn that counterclockwise. But while you're at it, there's an electrical connector here. Just hit both clips, pull it out, and done. Right? And we're going to turn this counterclockwise all the way. It comes out. And then you just pop it this way, kind of jiggle it out because it's got a little tab down here, and boom, whole thing's out. Then we got to undo these clips here, 1, 2, and 3, to be able to pop this thing up. There's this little clip here that actually just stays in there, but that's what this connector will connect into, right? Set this in. So then you have, this is your blinker and parking light. So we'd like to replace that one because it isn't bad. And then this one is your turn signal, right? So push those in, pull it out, grab your new one, which, boom, put it in. And then again, you're going to pull this back up. And then you're just going to push them in until they clip. They all snap in, and that means that other one will connect in there. And then you just go ahead, push it back in here, seat it in there, and then we take our big long plastic screw, just find the hole there, and then tighten it up. Good and tight. Hook up this connector here.